Sign up on the Davivienda app. Do it from the app. It's fast and secure. Download the new Davivienda Costa Rica app from your device's app store. Tap Login Help to get started. Select the option, I don't have a username or virtual password yet. Choose your identification document type and enter your ID number. Then enter the last 4 digits of your debit card and your ATM PIN. Remember, this information is confidential and should never be shared with anyone. Tap Continue. Create a new virtual password to access Davivienda online banking and the Davivienda Súper App. Re-enter your virtual password to confirm. Your password will be valid for 90 days. Review and accept the terms and conditions of the Digital Channels Usage Agreement. Then tap Continue. Enter the security code received via SMS or generate one using your virtual or physical token. Tap Continue. Success! You can now log in to the Davivienda app.